Hi there, welcome back to these video tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a fillable PDF from your Chromebook. You have two basic options. You can open it using the Doc Hub extension, or you can download it. But either way, you're going to have to save the PDF after you edit it and then upload it to your Google Classroom. All right, so your teacher has assigned you an assignment, and it's a fillable PDF. So we're here in our classroom, and we see that there's a survey we need to fill out, and it's a fillable PDF. So I'm going to go ahead and open it, and you'll notice that it opens in this kind of grayed out screen. This is a preview screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through the first option, which is to open it through the Doc Hub extension. Now, you're going to see this button at the top that says Open With. Do not open it with Google Docs. It will scramble the whole page and you won't be able to use it. So option 1 is to open it using this one called Doc Hub right here. So I'm going to select that. And you'll see that it opens up this fillable PDF right here in the Doc Hub extension. All right, so you'll see that it's opened it up. And basically, anywhere you see this box right in here, that's where you're able to type into it. So these are text boxes, and you can go ahead and type your name right into that box. So you can type in your music, 5 words to describe yourself, what you do for fun outside of school. So those are text box types of fillable PDFs. You can also have these kind where you just click and select boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and say that I'm in the Health Science Academy. Here, again, you select your grade level. And then this is a drop-down menu. So if you click here, you can click and choose your pathway. So I'm going to say that I'm in the education pathway. All right. So now I'm done filling out the PDF. I filled in all the places and I need to save it now. So I'm going to go up here to this download button, this down arrow. That's always going to be your download button. So when I click that, I get some options. I can download it to my computer. I can save it to my drive. Some other options here. I'm going to go ahead and just download it to my computer. And here you have the choice of doing the current version with all of your edits and changes and things that you've added to this document, or to the original file without any changes. You don't want to do that. So we're going to stay with current file, and I'm going to hit download. So now my download file opens up. You'll see that it says downloads up here. And I need to give this a name. So I'm going to call this Hand Test PDF 1. Okay, so now I know this is the one, and you need to remember that it's in your downloads file. That's going to be really helpful later. And I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And now we've saved it to our computer. All right, so the other option from this preview screen is to actually download the fillable PDF before you edit it. So you're going to come over here to the 3 dots, and you're actually going to open it with a new window. Now this looks pretty similar. I mean, it's still the grayed out background in the preview screen, but now you have a few options up here that you can also do. You can add it to your drive, or you can download it, and I'm going to show you how to download it. So if I click here, I'm now downloading this fillable PDF that I need to edit. So I'm going to call this one Amy Hand Test PDF 2. Okay, and again, it's in my downloads file, and I hit save. So now, in order to open it, I just have to click here, and it opens it up in a window that now you'll see that there's like these little blue boxes. That's telling me that those are places that I need to fill something in. And again, these are ones where you select boxes. And these are drop-down menu where you select your pathway. Okay, so now that I have everything filled out and everything I need to do, I need to download my completed form. So again, this little downward arrow tells me to download. So I'm going to click there, and you have options. You can save the original, which is just the blank form, or the edited version, meaning all of the things that you've added to it. And of course, we want our additions. So I click that. And again, the download window opens up, and I'm going to give it a name. And I'm going to keep the name the same, whether it was before or after. So yes, and yes, I want to replace it with my edits. And so now we've downloaded this form using the download feature. All right, so the final step is that now that we've downloaded or edited the PDF and we've saved it with our changes, now we need to upload it to this assignment. So I'm going to go up here where it says that your work is assigned, and I want to add or create something. So I'm going to click that button, and I need to upload something from a file. So when I click on this, you'll see that I can either go to my recents in my drive, or I can upload something from my computer. And we've saved this in our downloads file, so we're uploading from a computer. So I'm going to click browse, and you'll see that my downloads file opens up here, and I have my PDFs right here. So I'm going to select one of them because at this point they're pretty much the same. I'm going to select one, and I'm going to click open. So you'll see that it's now attached this filled in PDF to this assignment, and now I'm ready to turn it in, and I simply hit turn in. Yep, that's what I want to attach, so turn it in. And you're done. You've now used the PDF that your teacher gave you, you filled it out and saved it with your data, and then uploaded it and turned it in for the assignment. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me at amy.hand@rusd.org.